Unboxing the Dell Vostro 5481.
Whoa.
From Jumbo Electronics for a small price of 3,000 bucks.
Okay.
Okay.
It's a long knife.
Doesn't matter. Now, how are we supposed to unbox this? Help! Hello, help!
It's not how you use it.
Help! Here, the first and the most important component is the charger.
Component. Please tell us more about the component.
This charges the laptop.
Component?
The battery is made of
Mama,
plastic.
you wanna eat or what?
It's in silica gel, which I very truly appreciate. It's a great addition.
It's already on.
Oh my god! Wow! I swear I can carry it a single hand, and I didn't even go to the
Metallic
gym.
grey.
Oh, look at that Vostro. Check it out, V for Vostro. And look at them ports. It has this port, this one, that one, and this one, and that one, that and that one, and that one. I don't know that one, but that one is for the charger. Whoa! So let us describe the.
Should I drop olive oil on it?
Thank you. It's a 14-inch screen, anti-glare, and it comes with a webcam. How does it taste? It smells like a brand new car. I don't think this is edible. It tastes like silica gel. Olive oil. To charge this thing.
Are we done unpacking the laptop?
And there's an axe.
I don't think that came along.
I mean, whatever, like who needs a mouse? And also surprise unboxing, which came with this. Actually, we replaced it. We had a headset which was stupid, so we got this instead. And we'll show you why we replaced it. It's from me, me, whatever. And it's a battery pack at 10,000 milliampaaar, which is so cool, and comes with its own cable.
Not ampere, it's ampere.
There you go.
Wow.
This smells.
It's so weird.
What does it smell like? I don't know.
Rubber.
Exactly. Wow.
Bro, don't edit me
A
out.
thumbs up for the touch. Feel. So smooth.
Okay.
It's like, it feels like you can throw this at a person and it'll kill him because it's so smooth. What? I mean, it's very smooth because it's very strong.
Dude, yeah. Give her a phone. Stupid.
So cool.
Bag. We got a bag. With this extra, we also got a laptop.
We got a laptop free with the bag.
Yeah.